I'm not playing. These moscas are on my nerves. There's no reason for them to be in here.
No way, the audacity.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I brought you guys another lash video on a budget. Who doesn't love saving some coins? Oh, I know I do. If you want to save some coins in lashes, then I suggest you to keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I went on this long journey on Amazon trying to find the best lashes for a good, reasonable amount of money. And thankfully, I did find some good lashes after a couple fails. Purchasing on Amazon could be a little tricky because they show you a picture and sometimes that doesn't come through in the mail. I come here to show you guys one of my top favorite lashes so far that I have found on Amazon. Let's start off with the lightest and then going into the more dramatic ones. These are NEWCALLY, I believe. I'm going to apply them with my handy dandy glue, which you guys know already. Also, something to mention about the Amazon lashes is that they don't always look exactly the same. So it's something that it's a con to paying cheap. Other than that, I believe you get 14 pairs for good price. Also, some Amazon lashes look extremely fake, literal plastic, but in the pictures it looks good. Let's pop the first one. Wow, what do you guys think? These look so nice. So nice. And I have to mention, not all the pairs in that same package look exactly 100% the same. There is some slight difference in between all of them, very slightly. And there's the other one. They look so nice. Also, by the way, these are faux mink. That's a huge plus. I love them. They feel comfortable, they look good, they add a nice wispiness on the outer corner of my eye. 100% a 10. Highly recommended. Okay, let's go on with the other one. These are called NEWCALLY Light. Wow. Now let's pop the other one. And there's the other one. There is a slight difference. This lash is slightly flatter than this one. The con that you will get, but the price and the amount of lashes you get and how they look overall, they look pretty darn good. To the next one, and we take it off. Let's go into the more dramatic lashes now. These lashes are called LANFLOWER, and this is how they look. These are longer than the other ones. And this is how they look. Wow. They look nice. They look so nice. The 3D effect that these lashes have looks so nice. Look at them. They look very nice, don't they? They feel good. They feel fantastic. I love this chunkiness. A great Amazon find. The following lashes are 4 different pairs in one packet, and they have, how many pairs does this one have? These have 20 pairs in them, and this is how they look from lightest, which would be here, and then it goes to the medium light. One of these are the medium light, and then the dramatics. Since right now we are in the dramatic section, I'm going to try their dramatic lash from this. These are faux mink. Here goes nothing. And we didn't come here to play. No, we did not. So for you girls that love these type of lashes, here you go. This is for you. And then the next one. Ooh, so pretty. These are pretty in their own unique way. If you like these type of dramatic lashes, I highly recommend these because they look nice. They do look nice. These are not 25 mm. These are shorter than that, but they're not your average short, if you could say that, like the 16 mm. You guys, I think I found my second favorite pair of lashes. When I first received the one that I just showed you previous to this one, I just tried the most dramatic one just to see how it looked, but I didn't try the other ones. So right now I decided to add it a bonus, which is this. It's still from this same package that has the 4 different styles, and this is the one of their lightest styles in there. And oh my gosh, look at them. They look so nice. I wasn't going to try any more of those. I was just going to show you the ones, the more bulky ones from that pack. But I'm like, no, let me just throw in a little bonus in there. I love these. Look at it. Wow, a 10 out of 10. And last but not least are these pairs. These have 12 pairs and they're from LANFLOWER. These are in the dramatic side in the sense of volume. I want to mention a little side note. So as you guys can see, we have them like this. So I, initially thought this would be a pair, but then I'm like, no, how about if the pair is like this and not like this? Because as I was staring at them, this one doesn't look like this would go in the inner corner because how long it is, but this one does. You get me? So this one I was able to tell because this starts from small to larger on the outer corner. But with the other one, it wasn't really that noticeable. So nice. This is very nice. I had forgot how good these look. They look so nice. Wow. Girl, this is nice. These are dramatically beautiful, dramatically stunning, dramatically gorgeous, with a bomb ass eyeshadow in the background. Wow. These are it, girl. These are it. They just look perfect to go watch Grupo Firme. I wanted to go watch Grupo Firme. Do you know who they are? Are you a fan of them? I am. Quality is amazing for the price, for the amount of lashes you get. I know there's cheaper ones, but the struggle is real trying to find a cheap price with a good quality. It's hard. I have my trial and errors right there. So we come to the end of this video. I'm gonna gather my last thoughts. Going on Amazon, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of lashes. I went on this journey to try and find one of the best quality lashes on Amazon with, of course, a great price. And there was a couple fails. I got some ugly ass fails, plastic AF, no type of definition, but in the picture, they look great. In real life, not really. in my try on error, I picked some of the best ones that I like, that I personally like, because I know there is different type of taste around here. Also, let me know which one out of all of the ones that I tried was your favorite, or what do you lean towards the most. If you like videos like these, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. It is always greatly appreciated and helpful, every single like I get. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.